Dear admissions, the candidate is defending question 4. If the personal computer, television, radio, rockets, and the internet are all of the 20th century scientific inventions that have occasioned phenomenal impact upon the human society, then the candidate would argue that the internet will be the 20th century scientific invention that had induced the greatest impact upon global community and humanity in the 21st century from multidimensional perspectives, nationally and internationally. The internet, as the latest vogue more than ever before, can act as a double-edged sword in generating the greatest impact upon global civilization, whereby it can benefit mankind, but likewise at the same time inflict calamitous ends to the global society on personal, academic, business and career, legal, political, religious, governmental, and the military dimensions. These arguments will be expounded and contended seriatim. First of all, on the personal dimension, on one hand, the internet through social media applications nowadays can be contended to have miraculously and drastically reduced the physical, psychological, and emotional spaces and distances between individuals temporarily, territorially separated. It can fortify or distance family bonding. Likewise, it can also induce harmful consequences through one's constant, uncontrolled exposure to pornographic materials. Nevertheless, they unite strangers, partners, and peers around the globe. But nota bene, its argument can be academically contentious and can be proven to be a two-way traffic. Second of all, on the academic dimension, apart from expediting research efficacy, the invention of the internet enables the plausibility of recent online distance learning programs and virtual classrooms to be offered anywhere in the world in which traditional physical on-campus programs could not proffer. This innovation suggests that the World Wide Web now serves as a platform that strives to ensure that educational opportunities infiltrate every corner of the global society, even to the rural areas, unlike before, and through which global educational level and awareness can be universally elevated. Third of all, in terms of business and career perspectives, the virtual business ambience today has absolutely redefined and thoroughly transfigured the conservative business model around. We can just take a close scrutiny at the global impact of the pioneering e-commerce in China today. It evinces that speed, professionalism, efficacy, and sensitivity to customer client preferences and company commercial goals play fundamental roles in ensuring survival in today's highly virtual, acutely competitive, and in zero currency virtual business and career ambiences merely through the internet more than ever before in the past. Fourthly and finally, on legal, political, religious, and military dimensions, on one hand, the symbiotic relationship between the internet and the artificial intelligence and their joint utilization today has gradually revolutionized the legal profession and the judicature, i.e. from traditional physical courtrooms to virtual or online courtrooms around the world. Shifter online case management and case disposition can mean that the public and society can have quicker access to the legal system. Likewise, the internet can equally facilitate cybercrimes, online fraudulent tradings, transnational illegal military espionage, and be utilized as an avenue for the dissemination of political, religious, or terrorist propaganda just over a split of seconds, which can pose devastating threats from personal or corporate financial health to a terrorist jet hijack, and from stirring racial tumult of military coup to national and even international religious or political discordance and constitutional crisis that can seek to threaten societal tranquility, national and even international security and harmony. In summary, taking all of the contentions into contemplation, the candidate hereby robustly argues that other than the rocket, the internet has been used to capably inflict the greatest consequential impact upon the society from all dimensions imaginable